All right, this is the wreck of the Edmund FITZGERALD by Gordon Lightfoot. I've had a few requests for this over the years, so finally getting to it. We got a capo on the 2nd fret. If you'd like to hear what those notes sound like to try to get tuned to them, get your 2nd fret capo out. Of course, you could learn this without a capo, but it's not going to be the same key as the record. So if you have a capo, let's go for these notes here. Try to tune up to that, or just use your tuner. Just when you have a capo, you always want to double check that once you put the capo on that you're still in tune there. A lot of times it'll change it a bit. And the last one. Okay, our main chords for this, we're going to use A major, 2, 2, 2 and open. We're going to use E minor, 2, open, open, open. And then we're going to kind of walk to the 4 here and try to do the 5, open, open. Kind of mute that bottom one there to get a G chord that way. Okay, so we got A major, E minor, kind of walk 2 to 4 to 5, open, open for a G. And then we have 4, 2, open, back to A. It's kind of our main thing from a verse. So we'll get into that in a second. Here's the beginning, here's the little lead. We got got little bends in there, a little half step bend or quarter step bend. So we have these 2 5s. We're going to call these 5s because it's 5 up from the capo. So we have 5 and 5 in the bottom 2. So I hit that once, and this is in 6/8, so it feels like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I hit this, hold it for 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do a hammer. 1, 2, 3. I go back to that little chord. And then I'm going to do this 8 here. We're looking at this as an 8 on the 2nd string. And we have the open down here. We got kind of slide down to that 5. So it's bam, boom, boom, 7. Little bend on that 7. Again, up and down. 5 on the 2nd, 7 on the 3rd, back to that 5. So it's okay, we let that ring, and then we're gonna bend that 5. So we bend the 5 in the 2nd, and you could slide that. You could go 5 to 7, little 5, come back down to the 5 and then 3, and then we're gonna end with 5, 2. You could hit open and 2 if you want to, because you kind of want to let them ring a little bit. So if you can't really reach that, you could do open 2. Okay, so once again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have a, or we got open to 2, open on the little one, 2 on the 3rd. Okay, then we're gonna have our verse. We're gonna have a strum like, so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. That equals our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measure. Okay, so our verse, we have our A to E minor, down, down, up, down, down. Now once we hit that down, we're gonna go 2, 4, and then we try to get a 5, open, open, down, down, up, down. Try to mute the little one, down, down, up, down, and then 4, 2, open on the big string, back to A. Now here's a little measure. We can mix it up for an extra measure of A there. We can go open, open, big 2, open 2nd, 2 and 2. So it's, and that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be, okay, then we'd start a verse again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, E minor, 2, 4, G, 4, 2, O, A, fill, again, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, O, A, and you could just strum through the A. And there's a whole bunch of verses in this. There's like maybe 5 verses right there. If we come back to a lead that's very similar to the first, it's going to be. But it's just that. It doesn't have that extra. Okay, so it's just a shorter one. We're back into a verse. 3 and 4 and E minor. 2 4 G 4 2 O A. Okay, then there's a third lead. It's going to go. So the only different thing is the 5 5 at the end here. Then we're going to go 7. Okay, so it starts the same. But 5 5 instead of just 5, and then we bend the 7 a little bit. And again, 5, and then bend that 5. Or that little open to the 2 there in the G. And then we have more verses, and then we have that same lead that was the third lead. There's a lead 1, lead 2, lead 3. So lead 3 is going to repeat itself the next 2 times that leads come up, and even until right at the end of the song. Okay, so let's look at everything a little bit. We got. And we bend that. Or. Okay, hold that a bit. We got a verse. 3 and 4 and. Like I say, you can just strum through that A if you don't want to do that. Okay, saw that in a tab. Lead 2. So just simple, shorter. Then the next one's going to be. 5 5. And then we have the 7 bends. All right, the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald by Gordon Lightfoot. Hope you like that. Got a page of tab with this. Capo 2nd fret one more time. See y'all later.